Stop scrolling. It's time to meet the cutest little hot dogs on four legs. Dachshunds, or wiener dogs, have long bodies and short legs, which gives them a comically cute appearance. But did you know they were originally bred to hunt badgers? That's right, these adorable pups have a fierce side. Their name even means badger hound in German. Plus, dachshunds come in 3 coat types: smooth, long-haired, and wire-haired. Talk about a fashion statement. And those tiny legs aren't just for show. They were designed to help them dig and burrow. Here's a fun fact. Dachshunds were one of the first Olympic mascots. Waldy the Dachshund trotted into the spotlight during the 1972 Munich Games. So, whether they're burrowing in your blankets or digging up your garden, dachshunds are full of surprises. Next time you see one, remember, there's more to these little hot dogs than meets the eye. Stay pawsome.